I'm going to sing it through twice, and the second time I'll leave out some names so you can quiz yourself. See if you can fill in the blanks. Here we go. Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, Benjamin. These are the sons of Jacob. Now we'll sing it through and say their sister was Dinah. Reuben, Simeon, Levi, Judah, Dan, Naphtali, Gad, and Asher, Issachar, Zebulun, Joseph, Benjamin, and their sister was Dinah. Okay, this time I'm gonna leave out some names. Reuben, Levi, Dan, Gad, Issachar, Joseph. These are the sons of... How'd you do? I'll give you another chance. Here we go. Reuben, Levi, Dan, Gad, Issachar, Joseph, and their sister was Dinah. There you have it. Happy learning!